May I know your name and where you stay in Bangalore?
Yeah, Sunita Srinivasan. We are staying in HSR in second sector.
How old is your child?
My younger one here is Shreya. She's 7 years old. I have an older one who is also part of Discover Kids Library. She's 11 years.
And what kind of institutes or libraries were you looking for your child?
Okay, our search for the library started when my older daughter was around in the second grade. She started a little late, but then HSR was a growing locality. So we looked at Hippocampus initially because it was around for a longer time. But then commute from HSR to Koramangala was taking a long time. So in that, then we discovered that this place is lots close by and it's so much easier to come down and regularly read books, which is very important for a child.
Sure.
So that's the reason we chose Discover Kids.
Okay. And any other specific reason why Discover Kids? So it's only proximity is the reason? Is there anything beyond that?
The one-to-one interactions I've been having with Shubha, it gives a lot of personal touch. If I were to compare with any big size library, what happens is the staff goes on rotation. But here on the other hand, ever since we've been a part of Discover Kids, Shubha has always been there. So she knows exactly the daughter, my children's development scale. She knows the level of reading that they're comfortable with and she suggests books. So I find that very valuable because as parents many times we don't know which author is good for our children. So many new people keep coming. So a person like Shubha to guide us is definitely a big thing.
Okay. How has the experience been with Discover Kids? Any two things that you really liked about the place?
Okay, one good, really excellent one was the phonics program that my older one did with Shubha. So when Samita had a little bit of she had a little bit of trouble reading fluently. This was when she was in the second grade, and at that time the school it wasn't doing much to help her out. So we got her started in Shubha's phonics program, and it really helped her. Now she's such a voracious reader. She can she reads a lot, and it's helping her a lot in studies. It helps her in quizzing, and all those things basically I feel make what she is. Make her what she is. It enhances her personality.
Okay. Anything according to you that could be better with the Discover Kids?
Maybe just the timings. If they could probably make it work longer hours, I would really like it. Maybe till about 8 or 9 over the weekdays and weekends. That would be really awesome.
Okay. So on a scale of 1 to 5, if you were to recommend this Discover Kids to other parents, what was the rating that you would possibly give?
4 to 4.5, definitely. One thing is it's just not books. They have a lot of activities through the year. It's not like they just do it during the summer vacations. And another thing is also the kind of personal touch. So Shubha knows exactly what the children are doing. So she's a very good, as a friend, she'll help you out, suggest books for your children. That's one aspect of it. I really love the summer camps these people have been doing. A lot of people from our complex, they send their kids only for the summer camps here because they're so well organized. And in terms of the cost, this thing also, factor also, it's very, very reasonably priced.
Anything else that you would like to share with other parents who might look at the library?
Nothing, just make sure your child starts reading at a very early age. Even at 2.5 they can start. So we learn this as our kids grow older. But there's nothing wrong, I mean, show them all the texture-based books, all that you'll find in Discover Kids. Show them the puzzles they have here. And just make sure they like a lot of words, they read a lot of words, they see a lot of words. And that's it. All your children would probably turn out to be a future Shakespeare, who knows.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.